Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the PS5 box filter on Instagram. And then obviously once you have the filter on Instagram, you can go ahead and record a video of yourself and then go ahead and save it to your camera roll and post it to your TikTok or your Snapchat accounts. Anyhow, it's really easy to get this filter. You just go over to Instagram and you just want to go to your Discover tab right here and just search for an account called AR on Everything. So you can just pause the video right here and see what I typed in, AR on everything. Click on the account, click on the filters, and you'll see the PS5 box filter right here. You're then able to save it to your save filters or try it out. And basically what it's going to do is going to put the PS5 box on whatever stand you have it on, so it looks like it's kind of like augmented reality. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with getting this filter. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.